Test, test, test. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Let me know how we sounding. Let me know how we sounding. Test, test, test. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? We're gonna wait a few minutes. We're gonna start breaking some stuff down, y'all. We're gonna wait a few minutes. And we're gonna start to break some stuff down. Got a few news events today. At 8:30, we got USD news. 9:45, we got Canadian news. 10:30, we got Canadian news. At 7:30, we got Australian news. We're going live with the members and students during the USD news. So members, make sure to be on the lookout for that link and all that good stuff. So yeah, we're gonna see if some volume will start to wake up to the markets, because again, we did catch a nice move today with the members. We broke this trade down during yesterday's live as well. So if y'all was yesterday's London Central live, congratulations, you could have got in this with us as well. Or if you watched the Sunday chart analysis, we talked about this as well in the Sunday chart analysis. So make sure to check that out. It's not too late to watch this. Like I always say, this goes over not just what we see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but it goes over what we see price doing throughout the entire week. First link in the description. So give me 1 second, y'all. GN did a big move, so I gotta do a magic trick and add another level really quick. So y'all gonna see a magic trick happen. Gold, we also broke down during yesterday's London session live as well when that's projected. I'm going to be looking for another buy setup here as well. I'll try to swing and scale into this, but as you can see, I got whipped out last night. So, you know, yeah, you want to take profits. You don't want to let all your profits turn away. I'd rather close and look for another setup than be up X amount of dollars and lose like half of that or all of it trying to go for a home run. You know what I'm saying? So we're about to see if we can break that low. We're going to break all this stuff down a little bit, y'all. Make sure to like the live as y'all hop up in here. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I don't know why you're not subscribed yet. We're the only channel doing it like we do it over here. We do daily free analysis, answer questions free every single day. We really be giving the game out over here. But y'all got to tune in. That's why I always shout out everybody that be in the lives, because y'all in the live streams, y'all, the ones that be in the live streams, I can tell y'all, you know, y'all curious or actually want to learn how to trade. This is why I do this stuff for y'all. So I gotta do a magic trick really quick, y'all. I gotta ask for levels with a G in it real quick. So give me 1 second, but you already know the drill. If you guys got any questions, drop in the chat. When we can any charts, drop in the chat. The GN has been going exactly as projected, and we'll break that down in a second. All right, we'll break that down in a second. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Just have to add a level really quick. Give me 1 second, y'all. All right. Good enough. Cool. That level's small. I don't like that level. I'm gonna have to redo my charts after this live stream. I should have done it last night. That's all good. I'll do it later on. We'll just leave it like that for now. Those are joining the stream. Make sure to hit that first link in the description on a free signal for your Telegram. You still your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. All right, we caught this crazy, nice GBP New Zealand move yesterday during the London. Well, we didn't take it during the London session live. We broke it down during the London session live. I'm going to actually show you the signal right here. This is an old trade, y'all, so it already played out. So do not take this setup. I repeat, do not take this setup. Let me pull it up really quick. Just dropped the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana analysis for y'all yesterday as well. So if you have not checked that out yet, make sure to check that out. Let me make sure the audio sounding good still. Let me see how we sound then. All right, cool. Sounding good. Yeah, I gotta fix that GN level. I don't like that. I don't like how it looks. So I'm gonna do that after the live's over. Right, but we've been riding this G. So let me show the most recent position we took, which was yesterday. So again, we took this an hour after the live ended. So again, we took this as you can see, 5:05 a.m. See the entry, SL, TPs, see the TPs getting hit, all that good stuff. So it's literally been flying. So it took a little break at to hit the final TPs, chilled a little bit, and again, you can see that this is what's important to go with the flow of price because we can clearly see that these are very small candlesticks showing that there's small and low volume. But this is why it's important to go with the flow of price because even when it's low volume, if you go with the flow of price, you'll still have a higher likelihood of a price going your direction, the trade going your way, versus you just trying to chase pips or going for reversals or counter trend trading. So this was a nice 1-to-4 short ratio. I'm still in this trade looking to add another position. I was in gold, but I got wicked out. I was trying to scale into this one as well. But this is a nice 1-to-4 short ratio, which means whatever I risked, I made 4 times that amount. So I would have risked $100. I would have made $400. Excuse me. I would have risked $1,000. I would have made $4,000 off this one trade alone. All right, so make sure to check out the trade breakdowns playlist so you can see all the different trade breakdowns, different buy setups, different sell setups, all trades I personally took, as well as trades and signals I called out into the advanced play signal room. First link, well, not first link in the description, it's linked in the description. Free telegrams, first link in the description. We're 2-0 this week so far. Monday we caught a 103 pip move. Then yesterday the move we caught was 120. It's up way more than that now, as you can see in the screenshot. This is what price was looking like. It was chilling at 2012, right? You can see the price right here, 2012. We go to GN right now. We can see that it's at 2070. So that thing's up 60 more pips. All right, so we're up a stupid amount right now. We're up a stupid amount right now. As far as how last week went, we went 3-1 last week, giving us a 75% win rate, which is not bad at all. And then we ended November 14-1, gives a 93% win rate. And we'll break all that stuff down in a little bit. We got a new 5-minute about to pop up in a few minutes. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We're looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting. You already know the drill. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, y'all. I see you scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Ooh, perfect timing because we do not care about the ad, right, yo? Let's go ahead and skip that and put this music back on. What's going on, Ryan? I see you in here, though, my boy. Let me unmute mine. There we go. Let me see if we can get this back to business. I think we should be good. Give me 1 second. There we go. So you said, wow, I set the same entry line approximately where yours is, just waiting patiently as well. If you're talking about gold, that's what's up. A new 15 did just pop up, y'all. So again, what gold we want to see and what we're waiting for is to see if 26.96 can be held as support. If it can be held as support, we can look for buys going to 27.14. If you watched yesterday's London session live or I think I talked about gold in the Sunday chart analysis as well. We'll talk about yesterday. If price can break this resistance as well and hold 26.74 support, price going to 26.95, 26.96. Price did exactly that. Failed to hold that support last night. Did a rejection, but now it's pushing and trying to go for round 2 on here. So that's what we're looking for right here. Looking for possible GBPJPY buy, same game plan as yesterday, but as you can see, it failed to hold that support as well. But if GJ can hold and maintain 193.75 as support, we can look for buys going to 195.20. And then again, we wave on GN for the past few days, so we're going to look for continued GN buys as well. If it can hold 20.65 as support, we can look for buys going to 21.35. All right, that's what we're looking for right now. Again, we talked about this during yesterday's live, I believe Monday's live as well. Even on slow days, if you just patiently wait for your setups, you're bound to find it, right? Or it's bound to come your way eventually. Like I saw a post, like yesterday, 2 days ago, where like a trader was like, "Man, like it's been hard to trade the past few weeks, and this, that, and the third." And the way he was talking, I could tell. There's no shade. It is what it is, But there's a teacher moment. I could tell that he was kind of new because he was real shocked or stressed about the markets being slow right now. But again, I've been telling y'all that things were going to slow down literally since October. That's what I was saying, man. Take this serious, collect y'all's profits, withdraw, do whatever y'all got to do and take advantage of all these volumes, especially during summer quarter. Because when winter quarter comes, things are going to slow down. But again, it makes sense. I talk about this with the members of students all the time. You guys have to remember and understand what we're doing here. Yes, we can make some money. Yes, we can make some money, but it's not just that simple, right? Because again, what are we doing here? These aren't just random numbers. These aren't just random candlesticks. These are real currencies. These are real, stocks, real cryptos, real indices, whatever y'all be trading. These are real things. These are actually real prices and values, right? So understand that these are real price, real currencies, real stocks, whatever. And then you also got to understand that there's a reason why all these things have to happen, right? Because again, holidays aside, imagine if prices continuously shot up without any pauses, without any retracements, or did the opposite. What if prices continuously shot down and tanked without any retracements, without any reversals, without any consolidation moments? What would happen to the markets? What would happen to the economies? Everything would crash. Nothing would be stable, right? So that's why there are certain things that take place in the markets. It makes the same amount of sense when it comes to the holidays, right? Because again, there's a bunch of bank holidays. A lot of things are going to be closed, so they're going to want things at certain prices at certain times, especially when they can't, quote unquote, move or control the stuff. So again, it makes sense when you think of it in that state of mind. But again, even if it's slow days, high volume, low volume, if you know what you're doing, you're bound to find a setup, right? Which is why I always talk about, and why I always see me not just have one pair, right? Because again, a lot of traders, you'll see them just look at one pair. Now, when you're new, you definitely want to focus on one pair at a time. But once you understand how to read the charts, you got the basics down. You want to look at least 3 different pairs, because out of the 3, there's going to be at least bound 1 out of the 3, 80-90% of the time, it's going to have a setup versus the others, right? Because again, we look at all these charts, and then from there we find 1 setup or 2 setups that we like, and then we just wait for the confirmations and then go from there. You get what I'm saying? That's exactly what we've been doing during these slow market conditions, because again, there's been a lot of range, a lot of consolidation like we've been showing for the past few weeks, but we've still been able to catch nice trades and trade most of the days, even when it's been slow. And that's simply just following the flow of price, being patient, and sticking to the rules in the trading plan. But again, we do got some news today, though. We do have some high impact news today. We have an 8:30 USD news, 9:45 Canadian news, 10:30 Canadian news, and 7:30 Australian news. Going to be going live with the members and students during 8:30 news. So members, make sure to be on the lookout for that link when I do send it out to y'all. And if y'all just joined either the course chat or Advanced Play Signal Room or the one-on-one sessions, make sure to watch last week's recording as well as the past recordings as well, because as y'all know, you got access to all that stuff. Make sure to support channels and the telegrams also, because there's a lot of content in there. All right, make sure to also support the student member group chats. Look at the past questions, past conversations. Make sure to look at the pinned messages and all the channels as well. But yeah, we're about to see what this 5-minute looks like. Again, if you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we can any charts, drop them in the chat. Got a new video dropping for y'all later on today, so make sure to be on the lookout for that. And I updated all the playlists and I added a new playlist. So when y'all click that beautiful blue logo, that's my profile, and you go to the playlist, you'll see that there's a new playlist, and as well as change to the previous playlist, right? Because the Bitcoin analysis used to just be under the crypto playlist. Obviously, we've been doing a lot more other crypto and altcoin analysis. So now the crypto and altcoin analysis playlist is all the crypto and altcoins, and then the Bitcoin playlist is going to be the Bitcoin analysis. But if y'all watched yesterday's Bitcoin analysis, you'll also notice that we didn't just do Bitcoin, we did Ethereum and Solana as well. So with the Bitcoin analysis, at the beginning of the week, we're also going to be including and incorporating Ethereum and Solana analysis. So make sure to watch that video, because it's very, very, very important, because depending on how this month ends and how next year starts, it's going to be real interesting to see if we're going to have a reversal come in, or if we're going to see those all-time highs just get broken again and the bullish momentum continue to push. So make sure to check all that stuff out, y'all. Also, the crypto telegram is out and open now as well. To get access to it, you just got to do 3 things. Yes, just 3 things. You just got to be subscribed to the YouTube, which if you're not already, make sure to do that right now. We're almost at, where are we at right now? Let me check it out. We're at 2,840 subscribers, y'all. Shout out to the other 5 of y'all. I ain't forget about y'all. But we can get to 2,900 easily. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure to go ahead and subscribe. It don't cost you a thing. You know, you're already in here. You might as well subscribe. You know what I'm saying? If you're watching. But then you also got to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Y'all see that scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram, playmaker_way. TikTok, _playmakerway_. But don't just follow me on there. Make sure to check out the videos, because I drop free game in shorter form content as well. So make sure to check that stuff out. And there's a sale on crypto right now. Y'all, don't know if y'all been noticing, but all this week so far, things have been down 20%, 15, 30%. I'm talking about like the altcoins. I'm not talking about like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stuff like that, the bigger ones, right? But I know a lot of people have been freaking out. But you know what's crazy? If y'all was in the crypto telegram, y'all would have been able to do something before all that double retracing happened, right? Because let's scroll. Let me see if I can find it. Let me see. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to find the right post. Give me 1 second, y'all. But let's take a look real quick. Let's see what these other coins are talking about. Well, not coins. I'm over here in crypto mode. Let's see what these other pairs are talking about. All right, so we're not missing anything. So we're gonna just keep it on gold. All right, so here's one example right here. All right, cool. Where did we just go? Okay. Try to troll us for a second, right? So this was on December 2nd. This one XRP was at 265. You look at XRP right now, it's not at 265. It's at like 230 right now. So I was like, remember that profits ain't yours until you pull out, right? Letting y'all know that again, we keep on breaking highs and records. Make sure to secure some profits, right? Because again, where do people mess up at? They don't want to sell until what? After things are starting to retrace and after everybody and their mom is starting to sell, so you get caught in the reversal or big retracement and dip, right? So again, you always want to, again, that's why I do these weekly, daily analysis on the coins now. That way y'all know when and where to prepare to either DCA out at or DCA in at, right? But then I think I dropped another post. I dropped other stuff in here too, but you gotta be in the channel to see that stuff, y'all. Channel to see that stuff. So I'm trying to find the other post. I thought I posted it somewhere else. Oh, I did. Here it is. All right, so this was on December 5th. This was when Bitcoin just broke 100K. I was like, Bitcoin just broke 100K. Shout out those still holding. If you take profits, don't sell all, but it's either going to hit 120 or 140K or retrace first. And if y'all don't know, Bitcoin, the best way to put it is essentially like the US30 of indices, meaning, again, not all the time are all the other coins going to follow Bitcoin, but 8 times, 9 times out of 10, if Bitcoin goes up, the other coins are going to go up. If Bitcoin goes down, all the other coins are going to go down. Right? So this was on December 5th. So we go to Bitcoin, and I ain't actually do this yet. So let's see if I'm going to be actually, if I'm cooking or if I'm just yapping right now. So we're about to see if it's about to even show what I'm talking about. We're doing this in real time, y'all. So we go to the 5th, and that's when I posted that. That's when it first broke that, and then it rejected. As you can see, it's been rejected right then. But also, if you look at all other altcoins, since Bitcoin's been rejecting this level, they've been retracing as well, right? And then XRP dropped as well too. That thing again in that screenshot was at 262. That thing dropped down to, I think it dropped down to like $2 if I'm not mistaken, like yesterday or 2 days ago. Let me pull up my other thing. So I don't want to make this stuff up. So let me pull it up really quick. I know I'm up right now though because I bought on that dip. Where did it go? Yeah, y'all. Oh my goodness, when did this happen? So I posted this on. Well, I said I was going to show you that, but y'all saw it. It is what it is. All right, so this was on December 2nd. That hit 265, right? So let's go to XRP really quick. And y'all got, when we look at any charge drops in the chat, y'all, but we're just talking crypto talk because the pairs aren't doing nothing anyway. So it's not like we're missing anything. I think this is the one I marked up. Let's see. Yes. So, by the way, I did an XRP analysis for y'all, I think on Sunday or Monday. So let me drop that in the chat too before we keep it going. Let me see. Let me see. Here we go. Let me go ahead and drop this in the chat for y'all. Make sure I like the live too, y'all. Let me make sure y'all can hear me still too, because I don't got my AirPods with me. Let me see how we sounding. Let me see how we sounding. Oh, we're sounding good. Goodness gracious, man. They're trying to get their money today. I can't hate the hustle. But we had like 0 ads yesterday or Monday. So I think they put all their ads at the beginning of this playlist, which is kind of interesting. But I guess that's one guaranteed way to make sure you get some bread. So shout out to y'all, because I do be using y'all every single day. So, shout out to y'all. back to what we was doing though. So what was we doing? Yes, that's what we was doing, right? So this was on December 2nd when I was telling people, hey, don't just be looking at that. Take some profits, right? So that was on December 2nd. So after we see December 2nd happen, what happened? Retrace literally the next day, right? And then rejected it this week as well. You see what I'm saying? And then I bought some more here, so now I'm more in profit, right? So if y'all have been following me on Instagram, right, y'all should be in profit too. Like I know somebody in the comments. I also got a homeboy that I know is eating good off XRP. Man, shout out to you. You know who you are, my boy. You know who you are, my boy. But he's been in for a minute. I'm talking about like before 30 cents. Like this dude's been eating like stupid. He's like up like 800x right now. But that's besides the point. I'm trying to find this post. Where is it? All right. So I've been telling y'all since we first broke 70 cents to hop in this. I got into this a little bit before 70 cents, but after I broke 70 cents, that's when I started posting about it, telling people to hop in on this. And I was like, buy some dollars for an extra retracement. Obviously, if you would have got in at 70 cents or even 74 cents on this screenshot, you would be up like almost 200x, if not already 200x right now, right? And then Bitcoin, if you go to the Bitcoin playlist, you'll see we've been talking about that since before the halving. But that's besides the okay. So rejected that level. So again, game plan is still the same, but because gold is not meta confirmations yet, we're just simply not going to pull the triggers. That's right. Doesn't mean that we go look for sales now. That just means that we just don't pull the trigger yet. But yeah, I got a new video dropping for y'all today, y'all. Yeah. So yeah, it's gonna be a day trading video today, y'all. So I got a day trading video dropping for y'all today. And you got to be having the bell on to know, because I ain't gonna let y'all know. Sometimes I'll be spoiling y'all in the live stream. I don't know what it is ahead of time, but you're not gonna know. You're not gonna know if it's gonna be a trade breakdown, another chart video, trading plan video. You're not gonna know until you watch it. You're not gonna know until you watch it. It's most likely not going to be a trading plan video though, because I just dropped one of those last week. So if you didn't see the one from last week, let me drop that in the chat for you real quick. You should check this one out. Y'all dropped it for y'all last week. All right, there. Man, I must have slept good last night because I don't even drink coffee like that, y'all. And I don't know. I've been talking all stream and all of that. So I did go to sleep a little bit earlier yesterday. I took a celebratory nap after gold and GN, so that's probably why as well. We'll just join the stream. We have not entered this trade yet. This is just a trade idea. We're in this trade still, though. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal for your Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Hit that first link and check it out yourselves. Again, we took this trade and broke it down in yesterday's live stream. We went 3-1 last week. We ended November 14-1, gives a 93% win rate. You can see this by going to December 1st. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the month, as well as showing you how we ended the month prior to that. So you can see October we went 15-1, gives a 94% win rate. Click there, it's going to take you to the beginning of the month, again, October. Do the recap the day at the end of every day, recap the week at the end of every week, as well as a recap the month and quarter at the end of every month and quarter. You'll see screenshots of position, screenshots of the signal. We go send a link out every time we go live, and all these trades I literally break down every single day during the London session live streams, as well as enter them. So you watched yesterday's live stream, you would have saw me not only break down this GN setup, and say specific price points, but also this goal setup right here, right? We also talked about this in the Sunday chart analysis. And this is how we did quarter three. Quarter three absolutely dominated as well. July we went 16-5, August 13-1, September 14-2, and then quarter 43-8, giving us 84% win rate all three of these months combined, catching a total of 64,655 pips. You can see this much going into October 4th. Okay. Same thing. You click this highlighted right here. It's going to take you to the beginning of quarter three, which is also going to show you how we ended quarter two. My bad, y'all. I had to sneeze, and I decided to care about y'all's eardrums today. So, but anyways, so you can see that we average a high 80, high 90% win rate, not just on a weekly basis, but as well as a monthly and a quarterly basis, which is definitely important as well. Absolutely been killing it. We absolutely been killing it all year. If you go to where it says subscribers, you scroll down to where it says photos. You'll see there's over 1,000 photos, almost three going on 3 years worth of receipts. You can see screenshots of the signals, screenshots of the positions, as well as student results and testimonials, y'all. Also, you follow me on Instagram. You go to my highlights that says, I think it says testimonials. You could just tap, tap, tap. You'll see 2 years worth of just testimonials as well there to make it a little bit easier for y'all. But yeah, we got students passing prop firm accounts. We got students making bread in general. Uh, you know what I'm saying? And I got a lot more. I just don't like to post them a lot. I post them every now and then, like maybe like every month. I'll like just post like 3 new receipts and stuff like that. But I got receipts all over the place. But the biggest receipt is this dang Telegram, and of course these live streams, because you can't make up these live streams. You can't edit. You know what I'm saying? On these live streams and all this stuff. So again, all this stuff is dated, timed, and documented. Like I said, you literally can't make this stuff up. And then if you click this pin message, this sale is not valid no more. But stay tuned. I got something cooking for y'all, so don't worry about that. But why is it not working? That's weird. Okay, there it goes. Come on now, Telegram. Okay. So you click that pin message, it will take you all the way to 2022, where you can see again we've been doing this for going on 3 years. Like this is nothing different, just a different year. You know what I'm saying? This was back in the day when I used to when I first started, I used to call oops, actual signals up in here, but now I don't do that no more. Right? But you can see like we've been doing this literally for 3 years straight, calling trades, making bread. And again, this works in all pairs. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so make sure to explore the channel and stuff like that, y'all. But we got a new 5 minute about to pop in a little bit. Again, we do have some news popping off today, so do not be too shocked or surprised. The price kind of just ranges up until around 6 a.m., if not up until the news actually pops off. All right, y'all. Like again, we've had a lot of consolidation take place. We had a lot of slight reversals going on, and we also got a bunch of lows of traffic that we need to break through in order for price to even continue doing anything. And we also just caught this huge higher high on GN that broke the previous highs to the left. So retracements are due with a few of these charts.
detail. The ones who fuss, tinker, and sweat.
My bad, y'all. I was tripping. My bad, y'all. Hey, if y'all ever don't hear music, let me know. That's my bad, y'all. Shout out to those that was just vibing in silence, though. I forgot to unmute the music. My bad. Shout out to those that was still listening though. Damn. Shout out to y'all. But y'all ever don't hear music, I won't cuss you out if you tell me, hey, I don't hear no music. Just letting you know, bro. Just letting you know, bro, I don't hear no music. I don't know if you know that or not. But yeah, just let me know and I got you. But yeah, that was an accident, y'all. My bad. That ad was what let me know that happened. I was like, oh, not another ad. I went to go mute. But the audio was already muted. Yeah, but we're about to see how this 15 ends, to see what this next hour looks like. Again, we kind of see price just chilling on these levels right now. All right, y'all. Shout out to everybody in the live. Looks like Gene is about to try to keep pushing for us. So Gene can hold 2070 as support. We can see it continue going up to 2130. Okay, y'all. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been live since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been live since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal, free Telegram, y'all. Again, I got a new video dropping for y'all later on today. Make sure to be on the lookout for that. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my signal service or my mentorship program, you already know what to do. Hit those links in the description, y'all. You watch any of my YouTube videos, the last 2 minutes, all my YouTube videos, maybe 2.5 minutes. I go over all the details. But of course, you got any further questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram or Telegram. Y'all see the Instagram and IG scroll at the bottom of y'all screen, y'all. I respond to all messages. And yeah, we're gonna be back at the same time tomorrow, Monday session 3 and EST, y'all. Enjoy y'all's day. We want to see you.